Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get Zack in accurate Piggy roleplay. This easy method will guide you through the necessary steps to add this unique character to your collection. You'll learn exactly where to go and what to do, ensuring a smooth and quick unlock process. Follow along closely to secure your new character without any hassle. Your first step is to enter the game and select the hospital map. This particular location is crucial for finding Zack. Once you've loaded into the hospital, prepare to explore its upper levels. It's important to be on this specific map to proceed with the unlock sequence, so double-check your selection before moving forward. Once inside the hospital, immediately head upstairs. Navigate towards the distinct green section on the upper floor. From there, make a right turn, then take 2 consecutive left turns. You will then spot a sword cleverly hidden behind one of the hospital beds. This sword is the key to unlocking Zack, so interact with it. After touching the hidden sword, you will instantly receive the Zack character. Head back to the main lobby or character selection screen to confirm your new acquisition. You can now select Zack and explore his unique features and abilities within the game. Congratulations on successfully adding Zack to your roster with this straightforward method.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.